reception. Level 3, Citygate Outlet. Basement 1, concierge. Kakahilo naman to. Oh, it smells like McDonald's. We are at the mall already. Wow. It smells like donuts or hash brown.
Wow, you're talking about food when I eat.
Katabi, Paradise Dynasty. Yung xiaolongbao nila, 148, 8 pieces. Cheese xiaolongbao, 92, 6 pieces. Chilled jellyfish and seafood vinaigrette, $88. Outback, Lululemon. May naka-sale doon na Kidston. So, Sandro. I thought if it's an outlet mall, yung parang box type lang siya. This looks like a fancy mall in a way. But I think we wanna go to the basement. I wanna see the supermarket. Come on, let's go. Hold my hand. Papunta doon, Novotel. The atrium and offices. Ito, Furla. Ito, Coach, oh. Bluebell Outlet. Buy 3, get additional 15% off. Hindi naman super, super discounted. Wanna go to the basement. Is this a basement? Ito, Marnie, up to 60% off. Jimmy Choo. Walang nakalagay na tatak. Ay, walang nakalagay na sale. Armani, 3 pieces, extra 10% off. 5 pieces, extra 20% off. Dunhill, Max Mara, Burberry, Ferragamo. How do we go to the basement? Ito.
I don't know.
I am looking for the supermarket kasi 2 nights kami sa Disneyland and we cannot afford to eat there all the time. Ayan, since we cannot afford to eat at Disneyland all the time, gusto ko mag-supermarket para makabili na kami ng food na babaunin, diba? May fridge naman dun eh. Ay, may nakita akong Shake Shack at Starbucks. I haven't tried Shake Shack. Shake Shack. Ang hirap naman sabihin. Okay, ito yung mga bus. Yun yung Tongchong Station. May Circle K dyan. May 7-Eleven kaya dito. Di pa nga pala ako nakakabili ng SIM card. May Mannings din. Shake Shack. Parang gusto kong itry yung Shake Shack. Magkano kaya kumain dyan? Shucks, ang bango. May sesame oil. I still need a SIM card, so tara. Hanapin na lang natin yung 7-Eleven muna. Gulo no? Shake Shack. Magkano kaya food rito? Ay, maraming tao right now kasi lunch 1 p.m. Ay, ito. What? Avocado bacon burger. 74 yung single, yung double 99. Tara. May bakery. Tongchong. Actually, hindi tongchong eh. Pag binabasa ko, parang tongchong. Bakit kaya tongchong? Ah, hindi kasi Cantonese nga pala sila rito. Dito kaya may 7-Eleven. Tingnan natin. Ayun, may 7-Eleven.
Where are you going?
7-Eleven.
Okay.
I need to buy SIM card.
Okay.
Ayun yung 7-Eleven. And we don't have to go inside the station. Dito lang tayo sa gilid. SIM card. Yung SIM card nila, 89. Okay. Not what we need. Merong 7-Eleven sa loob. Ayan, so hindi naka-display. Pero tinanong ko kung may SIM card. Tapos tinanong niya for Hong Kong ba? Sabi ko yes. Ayan o, $33 lang. Tapos 30 days na siya. Up to 128 kbps. Unlimited data na siya. Ah, hindi. 50 GB na 42 mbps. Pag naubos mo yung 50 GB, magiging 128 na lang kbps. Eh, yung 50 GB na to, sobra-sobra na to for for 7 days, diba? Unlimited data plus 5,000 local voice minutes. Oh, diba? Sulit to, 33 lang. Magkano yung 33? Mga 210 or sabihin na natin 250, 280. O diba mura kapag bibili ka ng SIM card online, umaabot ng 200 per day, diba? Or something. So pwede na to. So baka dun sa airport may ganitong SIM card din. Hindi lang ako nagtanong kasi nga hindi siya nakapaskil. Nagbaka sakali lang ako magtanong and binigay niya to sa akin. So sa hotel na lang namin i-install to. So kapag sumakay ka ng MTR papunta rito para makapag-Ngongping or mag-Citygate, most likely dito ka lalabas. Ito yung Citygate. Nandito yung Shake Shack. Nandito yung Starbucks. Dun sa station yung 7-Eleven. We didn't have to go into the station. Hindi na namin kailangan mag-tap in. So ngayon, the mission is to look for the supermarket. Or look for a place na hindi masyado masikip para makakain kami. Pasok tayo. Organic coffee. Factory outlet. Uy, $390 ang isang pair. Which is 3,000 pesos. Okay, not bad. That's a good brand. MLB, Nike, Popcorn, Under Armour, Puma, New Balance.
Can we go to a fun place, Mommy?
Yeah, we're just exploring. Itong K-Swiss, up to 50% off. Buy 4, 40%. Buy 3, 30%. O, diba? North Face, 70% off. Uy, 50% to, 70%. Itong Puma. 650 yung 2 pairs. 4 for extra 40% off. Nice. In fairness, alam niyo pag grupo kayo, sulit no? Ang gusto ko lang bilhin, maybe shoes for me and for Brie. Kami na lang yung hindi pa nabibilan ng shoes. Kasi di ba nung nag-Japan ako, nabilang ko na si Pops at saka si AV. New Balance, 4 up to 6%, 60% off. Ito lahat ng restaurants nila, oh. Okay, tara, punta tayong supermarket. Ray-Ban, Rockport. Ay, gusto ko sa Rockport. Hanap tayo sandals dyan. Ito na yung supermarket. Taste Supermarket. This one sa kabila, supermarket pa rin. Watson's Wine, Firebird, Japanese Grill, Kiwa Bakery. Let's see what they have. Signature salad, max of 3 choices, $61. 400 grams, max 4 choices, $81. Ah, okay. Quiche plus salad, choose one, is $62. Okay marami kaming pwedeng bilhin dito. Itong mga sandwiches nila, $48.
I actually kind of like this one.
You want the broccoli?
Yeah.
Okay, sige. Let's still look at what we have, what they have.
So that I can have even better food.
Ito. Dito yata sila nagbabayad. Self-service, self-cash out. Dessert to.
What are these? What's this?
Don't touch, baby. Rice cakes.
And what's this? Green thing. Oh, that's so cute.
May waffles din sila dito, $20. Omelette. Omelette ba to? Or wrap with tofu?
Mommy, look
26 lang, oh.
Look what he found this tuna.
Yeah. What is this? Ay, vegetarian! AV vegetarian meat yata ito eh. Mura. $20, 26. Ito, barbecue nila, 20. $10 na lang. Oo, nakasale tong mga nasa labas. Taro cake, $10 na lang.
What's this?
Yung mga iulam nagre-range from 45 to 60. Yung vegetable dishes, 35. Chicken and pork, 45. Water bamboo dishes, 70. Yung beef dishes, 60.
Look at that. It's a fish head.
With rice. One choice with rice, 35. Two choices with rice, 39. Mura naman. Ikot tayo para makita natin lahat. Wow, masarap lahat. Pansit, 25. Fried rice, 25. Chicken wings, 25. Dumplings was, hindi ko na makita. Hipon, 88. Medyo mahal yung seafood. Ay, ito rice meal na Meron ng 36 lang. Roasted duck, a poached chicken, 36. Don't put your face on it. Oh, tingnan mo to, ribs 53. Tapos yung mga nandun may rice na. Yan na lang i-take out namin. Pwede na naming dinner yan. Buong chicken, 130. 1/3, 50. Ito naka-sale na. 59 na lang instead of 68.
I want this.
You want that one? Ay, bento na siya. 48 for all that. This one is 62. Rice topping, 40. Ay, iba-ibang brand pala siya. Ito, Miss Hana. Korean food house. Okay. Ganun pala yun. Oh, wow. Look at this. 88. Itong roasted duck, 70. Buo na. Itong baby back rib, 49. Oyster, 48. 6 pieces na siya. Ay, 78 pala. Exage naman ako no? Ano naman yung kabila? Bakery naman yan. This is called... Yeah, vegetarian nga to. Alam mo, mahilig kami sa vegetarian meat Ngayon ko lang napansin, gatas pala yung dinadaanan namin. Yung gatas nila, ito, 42 pieces. 23. Uy, ang mahal, no? HK Barbecue. Uy, grabe. 2 ulam, 50. 2 choices with rice. Sino magana ka lang? Wow. What? Do you even know what that is?
What is it?
I don't know. Oh my gosh, may sushi pala dito sa tapat nitong Hainanese chicken, no? Pero ang mahal, although ang gaganda. Itong salmon, 100. Ito, 70. Itong scallops, 80. Ito, 210. Sobrang ganda nito. 268 ang mahal. Mamayang gabi, pupunta kaya kami dito. Baka mas mura na yan. Ito, 98.
Oh, this was what I wanted. This one. Not this one. This one.
Yung yung eel, 120. Pero ako ng isang set dito. 39 lang. Binabalot niya. Oh, look, rice, $39. Ang daming ulam.
Nice.
Mango sticky rice, 3 klaseng kanin, 48. Ito, durian mochi, 38. Mango mochi, may mangga sa loob, 38 lang. Bongga naman dito. Wow, thank you. Okay. What does it taste like?
Milk. And it's good.
Yeah? Sobrang laki ng supermarket na to. And since I want to pay in cash, kailangan kong libutin lahat. Dami naming binili. Hindi na kami lalabas niyan tonight. Pagod na rin kami. I'm hoping we could still swim. Grabe, ang laki pala nito. Iiwan ko pa naman yung kids dun sa isang side. Saan ba exit nito? Ang laki ng outlet mall na to. Ang dami na namin nadaanan. We're trying to look for the Silvery entrance. May Coach, Kenzo, Marc Jacobs, Calvin Klein. And look what I saw. How do you say this? Is this Venchi or Venki? Di ba they sell gelato? Sikat yan eh. Indulgence, no? Ang isang scoop ay 30 Hong Kong dollars. Oh my gulay. Diesel. Alam nyo, gusto ko ng luggage na Tumi. Tama ba yung pagkabigigas ko? Tsaka gusto ko yung backpack nila na black na pang girl. Ayan yung black and gold. 20%, 40%. Nakita ko na saan kami galing. Nakita ko na ulit yung Ferragamo. Nalulubat na kami. Total, gising kami since 1 a.m. And it's already 2 p.m. Tapos, syempre, biyahe-biyahe, no? So, ganito, no? Since ang Disneyland is only 1 station away from here, baka, ang gagawin namin, kung di kami kakain ng Disneyland, pupunta na lang kami dito, bibili kami ulit ng food sa Taste. Kasi hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal yung mga food eh. We'll see. We'll just adapt as we go along. Buti na lang yung entrance ni Silvery nandito lang din sa City Gate, no? Sulit. So, ito lahat ng binili namin. May mochi, dahil gusto ni Brie. I'm trying this fried carrot cake, $10. $16 yung rice. Meatya, vegetarian meat, 26. Ito, 39. Ang daming rice, ang daming ulam, mainit pa. 39. Total nito, 160, ganyan. So, magkano yun 160? 900 pesos ba yun? 800? I feel like nakamura kami. Kasi diba ang budget usually 100 per person? Yeah, you want it now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, nagutom na ako. Kakain na muna ako. May ka-meeting ako ng 2:30. Biglaan. So, I have about 20 minutes. Nagpo-provide naman sila ng chopsticks. O, diba bongga? Mabigat-bigat to, ha? This is sweet and sour pork. Huh? May buto. Pero masarap. In fairness, ha? Ito naman, chicken yata to. Sarap. Itong chicken na to, medyo spicy. May pagka, Sichuan flavor. Sarap. For $39, I will not complain. Dahil mura na yan for Hong Kong prices. Magandang rice nila, mabuhaghag. It's good. Nakakatawa, no? nag-check-in kami sa 5-star hotel pero nagtitipid kami sa food. Anyway, bukas naman dito kami magbe-breakfast. Syempre, practical lang, 'di ba? I didn't wanna go all the way to downtown Hong Kong. 40 minutes going there, 40 minutes coming back here. Tapos bukas check-in na kami sa Disneyland. Alam mo 'yun? So, kanya-kanya tayong budget at desisyon sa buhay, but at least happy yung kids ko na na-experience nila to. Matagal na kami hindi nagla-luxury stay. I think the last time was 2018 pa yata sa Marriott Clark. So, okay, since pagod na kami at nagka-meeting ako ng 2:30, kakainin na muna namin to, tapos magpapahinga sandali, and then we'll try to go back to the outlet or see if we can swim para sulit naman namin yung facilities, diba? How's the mochi? Can you please eat where the plate is? How's the mochi, Brie?
Good.
You like it? Ako naman work mode na. Kasi para mapaprint na ng maaga or something yung program.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Doing this for professionals, so for sure there's a fee.
Ay, ang bango. Ay, nako, mga ma, ang talino ko. So, I'm working. Tapos nalolobat na ako. And then, di ba kanina pinakita ko, dala ko yung extension cord ko. Bumili ako ng 2 adapter specifically for these, ganyan, na outlet. And, hindi ko siya mahanap. So, now I'm trying to remember. Hindi ko manalagay sa luggage ko yun.